Hello everyone, this is nice math problem. 2 to the power x is equal x to the power 4 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 2 to the power x is equal x to the power 4. Now we will multiply both sides power by 1 over 4. So you can write here x times 1 over 4 is equal here 4 times 1 over 4. Therefore, this 4 cancel out. Here 2 to the power x times 1 over 4 is equal x. We know a to the power m times n is equal a to the power n whole power m. According to this identity, we can write this 2 to the power x times 1 over 4 as 2 to the power 1 over 4 whole power x is equal this x. We can write this x as x to the power 1. Here 2 to the power 1 over 4 whole power x is equal this x to the power 1. Now we will multiply both sides power by 1 over x. So you can write here 1 over x, here 1 times 1 over x. This x and this x cancel out. Here 2 to the power 1 over 4 is equal x to the power 1 times 1 over x is equal 1 over x. Here 2 to the power 1 over 4 times 2 over 2. Here 2 over 2 means 1 is equal x to the power 1 over x. Here 2 to the power 1 over this 4 times 2 is equal 8 times this 2 is equal this x to the power 1 over x. We know a to the power m times n is equal a to the power n whole power m. According to this identity, we can write this 2 to the power 1 over 8 times 2 as 2 to the power 2 whole power this 1 over 8 is equal x to the power 1 over x. Here 2 square is equal to 4 whole power this 1 over 8 is equal x to the power 1 over x. Here 4 to the power this 1 over 8 times 2 over 2. 2 over 2 means 1. So this and this are same is equal x to the power 1 over x. Here 4 to the power 1 over this 8 times 2 is equal 16 times this 2 is equal this x to the power 1 over x. We know a to the power m times n is equal a to the power n whole power m. According to this identity, we can write this 4 to the power 1 over 6 times 2 as 4 to the power 2 whole power this 1 over 6 1 over 16 is equal this x to the power 1 over x. Here 4 square is equal 16 whole power 1 over 16 is equal this x to the power 1 over x. We know a to the power 1 over a is equal b to the power 1 over b, which implies that a is equal b. According to this identity, we can write this line as 16 is equal x. Therefore, x is equal 16. This is our answer. Now we will verify to check this value is correct or not. So let's verify. Our main equation is 2 to the power x is equal x to the power 4. Here x is equal to 16. So here 2 to the power 16 is equal, here x is equal to 16. So you can write here 16 to the power 4. 2 to the power, we can write this 16 as 4 times 4 is equal this 16 power 4. We know a to the power m times n is equal a to the power m whole power n. According to this identity, we can write this 2 to the power 4 times 4 as 2 to the power 4 whole power 4 is equal this 16 power 4. Here 2 to the power 4 is equal 16. 2 to the power 4 is equal 16 to the power 4. Here both sides are equal, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, our value x is equal 16. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.